When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me, Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare papad poori. This is my own recipe. You can't find this recipe in YouTube. You can prepare this papad poori as a breakfast recipe. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Initially, take a basin flour, strain it into a bowl. Take around 200 grams of basin flour and transfer into a bowl. Now strain 100 grams of rice flour into a bowl. Now add this rice flour into the bowl. Take around 50 grams of suji rava, add this into bowl. Add ajwain. Add little amount of salt. Add pinch of baking soda. Mix everything with the help of the whisker. Add little by little water and mix everything properly. Batter should be not too thick, not too thin. Take a deep pan. Add oil in it. Switch on the flame and heat the oil. Now take papad and dip in the batter. Once oil gets heated, drop this papad into hot oil. On a low flame, fry it on both sides. Once we get a good color, remove from oil and transfer it into a serving plate. That's all, papad poori was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare egg tadaka. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.